What's good, guys? It is the 26th of September 2018. It's a Wednesday, and tomorrow morning, Thursday morning, I'm going to Kyoto, and I am super stoked. I'm here actually recording this in the bathroom because it's quite late and I'm in a hostel and I don't want to wake people up. Yeah, the bathroom. Tomorrow we're going to go to Kyoto on a bullet train. I'm super stoked to go on a bullet train for the first time. I'm super stoked to even go to Kyoto because it's like the ancient city of Japan. I've been in Tokyo now for 7 or 8 days, had an epic time in Tokyo, one of the best cities in the world, but now I'm ready for more adventure and I'm ready to go, so I'll see you in the morning.
You can see here, I've got my rail pass. Very, very important thing. Very, let me tell you why. Okay, traveling by rail in Japan is very expensive. Now, if you weren't to get a rail pass and you travel the whole country for 3 or 4 weeks on the rail, you'd probably spend about $1,500 US. However, for example, for 3 weeks, it cost me $530 US for a rail pass. You save so much money, so much time, so much effort. It's a no-brainer. Now, the only one thing you got to worry about is this. The Japanese government will not send it to a Japanese address, and they will not sell it in Japan because locals don't get a rail pass. You must buy it before you come. I didn't do that. I was a little bit stupid because I didn't realise there actually was a thing called a rail pass until I actually went travelling on this adventure around Asia. And so when I got to the Philippines, I realised, holy shit, I need to get a rail pass or I'm going to lose so much money. I had a friend in the Philippines that I could send to their address, and so that's what I did. However, if I didn't have a friend in the Philippines, it would have made my life a lot more hard work. So the moral of the story is get a rail pass and go and enjoy Japan the right way. But anyway, now I'm about to go and walk to Shibuya station, catch a bullet train, and yeah, go to Kyoto. Let's do it. Thank you, arigato. A lot of people here. Here's a super cool thing about Japan. They have lockers here where you can just store stuff. So you're going shopping, you have a big bag, you just store it here and come back and get it. Maximum duration for 3 days. I don't know how much it costs. 500 yen. And look how many there is. There's so many lockers. Japan just does things so efficiently, and little things like this make life so much easier. Right, it's got some food and drink and now I'm kind of lost, which is standard for a foreigner in Japan. Getting around is not straightforward. Here?
This is the JR pass.
JR pass, yeah?
Okay.
Sure, yeah, of course. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Arigato. Probably heard me saying arigato a couple of times. Basically that means thank you in Japanese, well I probably mispronounced it. Arigato. Thank you. I love the design of them. Look at the front, it's just so smooth. It's like Concorde on a railway. That's how I would describe it.
Kyoto. It feels like I've gone so far already. This infrastructure is incredible. Like, all countries in the world should strive for infrastructure like Japan's, because it's so smooth, so efficient, and so high tech. Yeah, pretty incredible. The whisper, because you're not really allowed to speak on the bullet train. You have to whisper or just don't talk at all. In Japan, they like peace and quiet, and so yeah, I'm just keeping my voice down just in case I don't get shouted at by some angry Japanese person.
What's going on? We're about halfway through and I'm here in the toilet giving you a tour of a bullet train bathroom. A toilet, how amazing is that? But in Japan, as you know, toilets are probably one of the coolest gadgets that you have, and even on the bullet train you have the usual gimmicks. You have the spray, the violet, and you have a little seat button here which I think moves the toilet seat up and then down. Yeah, really cool. If you don't know what a violet is basically a spray which comes out of there and basically washes your bum after you've had a poo. Going about 330, 320 kilometers per hour, and I am stood perfectly still here, not moving, not being pushed around. It's so smooth. And yeah, we should be in Kyoto in about 90 minutes. I'm ready to explore that amazing place.
Arrived in Kyoto, and yeah, time to get to the accommodation and check out the city for the day. It's still pretty early, it's only 10:45. The actual journey took about 2 hours and 20 minutes. There goes my train. So yeah, welcome to Kyoto. Alright, so I'm just walking from the train station to my accommodation. It's about 2 kilometers. I'd rather save the money, get some exercise, because I need it right now, and yeah, just make my way using Google Maps. Right, so I've been in Kyoto now for about 2 hours, just walking around all the shrines. This place is pretty insane. What a really beautiful, beautiful place. Most magical place I've ever been to in my life. Really, really beautiful, just amazing. Here, I'm not sure what that is, but again, super cool. Seriously guys, like if you come to Japan and you come to Tokyo, if you come to Japan at all, you have to go to Kyoto. I've been here 3 hours and I'm like, geez, this is beautiful. Alright, yeah, so I'm at the top now, and as you can see, the numbers have dwindled. Most people have given up, but I made it right to the top. Beautiful, beautiful place. Can't wait to see what more Kyoto's got to offer. And I know there's so many temples, there's so many shrines. Stoked. Alright guys, good morning. We're here in the bamboo forest now. I was going to end the vlog yesterday, but I thought I cannot end this vlog in Kyoto without showing you the bamboo forest, which is behind me and is absolutely stunning. Like, I love big cities, I love big lights, I love big metropolises, but I do also love nature as well. And so I'm going to take you for a walk right through the main grove, which is just stunning. Come with me. Right guys, so that's me wrapped up and done with this vlog. It's been an awesome last day and I've enjoyed vlogging it for you and showing you Japan, which is an amazing place. I'm here at the bamboo forest, a brilliant place to finish it. If you enjoy watching travel videos and seeing cool places, keep watching. But until then, peace out from Kyoto, Japan.